My name is Scott, and I'm the owner of Climb On Indoor Rock Climbing Gym in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today we're going to discuss rock climbing knots. The first knot, and most important, is the one that we use to tie in with, which is called a follow-through figure eight or retraceable figure eight. We use this knot to tie in each and every time that we rock climb or our partner rock climbs. Once you've got the knot tied and connected to your harness, we do a safety knot or a backup knot, which is called a fisherman's knot. And then you're ready to go. We also use what's called a clove hitch. Clove hitch is great at an anchor point because it's micro adjustable. So once you've got it on there and it's secure, it's very easy to adjust the length and the distance. If you're having to tie a knot in the middle of a rope, you can use what's called an Alpine Butterfly. Again, a great knot, takes a lot of weight, doesn't take much strength away from the rope, and can be tied in the middle of the rope. I can't stress enough how important it is to get proper instruction from a qualified climbing instructor at your local indoor climbing gym.